The wall-mounted socks organizer, a clever and efficient solution to declutter your dresser drawers and keep your sock collection neatly organized. This isn't just any organizer. It's a space-saving wonder designed to simplify your morning routine and add a touch of order to your wardrobe. Say goodbye to mismatched socks and tangled drawers and welcome the wall-mounted socks organizer into your life. Because even the smallest items in your wardrobe deserve a designated home. This socks organizer isn't just a storage solution. It's a dresser declutterer. With its wall-mounted design, it transforms your unused wall space into a functional and visually pleasing sock display. No more digging through drawers to find a matching pair or dealing with the frustration of missing socks. The wall-mounted socks organizer is here to streamline your dressing routine. It's not just an organizer, it's a dresser space saver. But let's talk about practicality. This isn't just any wardrobe accessory, it's a time-saving maestro. Its individual compartments allow you to neatly display and access your socks, making the process of getting dressed in the morning a breeze. The wall-mounted socks organizer is not just about organizing socks, it's about maximizing efficiency in your daily routine. It's not just an organizer, it's a spatial optimization genius. And installation? Effortless. No need to summon the spirits of handymen past or decipher complicated instructions. The wall-mounted socks organizer comes with user-friendly installation, ensuring that you can enjoy the benefits of an organized sock display without the headache of setup. It's like having a personal wardrobe assistant, discreet, efficient, and always ready when you need it. But wait, there's more. This organizer isn't just about practicality, it's about style. With its sleek design and modern aesthetic, the wall-mounted socks organizer adds a touch of sophistication to your closet or dressing area. It's not just an organizer, it's a statement piece that enhances the visual appeal of your space. Picture this, you effortlessly selecting a pair of perfectly matched socks from the wall-mounted socks organizer, creating a tidy and organized dressing area. It's not just about socks, it's about turning your wardrobe into a functional and visually pleasing zone. Your dressing space is not just a necessity, it's a well-designed haven equipped with the wall-mounted socks organizer. Remember to subscribe and like.